everyone, it's Denise with Wondubar Crafts. I am back today to do the giveaway. Yay! I am so excited about doing this, guys. I've also got, I've got 4 of these to give away, the Go Me's with some, each pack has something different. So what I'm going to do is I'll pull a name, and then whatever choice they had first, they will get first choice, and then so on and so on and so on. So I'm not going to pull all 4, I don't think, at one time. I'm trying to play catch up from this weekend. The game was awesome. It was an amazing experience. I don't know if I would ever do it again. It was a nice day, but it got really cold in the stadium. Even though we had like these heat lamps on top of us, it was still cold. And so yesterday driving home, I was dealing with, how when you get a lot of wind blowing in your face and you kind of get nasally and all that. Yeah, so I was dealing with that yesterday. Oh, that was not fun. So, and I got a couple things I got to do. So in between, like, I got to go run to the grocery store. I got to pick up some milk and eggs, or not eggs, milk and creamer and that kind of stuff. So, yeah, I don't buy eggs anymore. So I got to do that and a couple other things. So I'm just going to do like a few videos. And so let's get started and find out who our first winner is. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. So excited. So good luck, everybody. Let's go ahead and move on over to the video, to the computer. So give me just a second here. Okay, we got all moved over to the, I got to kind of stretch to do this so you guys can hear me on the microphone. So here's the video. And so we need to copy that and put it into the random YouTube comment picker here, and we're going to filter out duplicate users. Actually, we don't want to do that because some of you guys have commented twice, so we want to make sure we pull that up. Now we may pull up a comment. I thought we were going to be able to use like A, B, C and filter all that out, and I guess at one time you used to be able to, but now they don't do it. They only do it for like yes and no, which is so silly, but whatever. So we may have to, if it doesn't come up at A, B, C, whatever, we may have to pull it again. So, or we'll find out what they want on their thing. So let's see. I don't want to include it in the replies. All right, so we've got 22 comments. So let's find out who our winner is. Tammy in the crafting, Tammy and the crafting disaster. I like that name. Congratulations, Tammy. She has, her comment was A, D, C, and B. So she is the first winner. So she gets her first choice. She wanted A, which I just so happened that I have them all boxed up. So she can see what she's getting here. She's getting the flying geese die that goes with, let me get it out of the box, the Go Me cutting system. So it's already in its box. It's ready to go. So what I need from you, Miss Tammy Ann, is I need you to contact me either at the email listed below or the or you can notify me through messaging through my Etsy. I have a link to both below. Contact me please within, let's give you guys a couple days to do this. Yeah. So what is today? I know I should always have this written down and I always forget. Let's say Friday. So if you need to contact me by 10 p.m. Central Time, so let me write this down. Please, if you would, contact me by 5 p.m. or I'm sorry, 10 p.m. Central Standard Time. on the 10th by 10th of December 2021. Okay, make sure you contact me. Let's see, let's swap back over to okay, I'm sorry, I thought I had swapped that over. Let me write this down so I don't. Okay, we'll keep this sticky, so I'll have it for the next one. I'm such a goober. All right, so let me make sure I write this down, who it is. Tammy and the Craft and Disaster. So that is so awesome. Congratulations. I'm going to put that sticky on the box. Please contact me by the time listed below. Otherwise, I will draw again for that particular prize. So until the next drawing, guys, I'm so excited. Until then, guys, plenty of hugs, loves, and blessings, and good luck to everyone. Bye.